So today we have an executive style townhouse. It's right on Eglinton Avenue, which is right over here. And that infamous Ridgeway Plaza is just a couple of lights down the street. I don't know if that's good or bad, but you know about Ridgeway. Some people love it, some people don't. Anyways, this is an executive style end unit townhouse. So it is not the cookie cutter layout that you usually see. It's 3 bedrooms with a finished basement that also has like a kitchenette. The thing about this is that there is a laneway. Down there, there's a laneway. It actually comes with a 2-car detached garage. I'll show you that in a second, but check it out. Very nice exterior, love it. It actually has like a very grand executive feel to it. Nice size. It's about 16 to 1700 square feet, and there are a lot of updates inside. Let's go check it out. Now this is listed at $1.15 million. It's not your standard type of layout that you'll see in townhouses, which I like. I'm tired of the same cookie cutter type townhouses that you see. Let me show you guys. Okay, so as you can see, as soon as you walk in, you're actually kind of walking in on the side of the house. Here is the staircase. I really like the style of the staircase. Lots of windows in this house because it is an end unit. So that's an extra window on the side of the house that you don't usually get. And then you have your family room and dining area here. Again, look at the windows. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I guess you can count the door as a window as well. So many windows, no shortage of natural light here. Check it out. So this is freehold. There is no maintenance fee with this one. Look at this kitchen, huge kitchen for a townhouse. I mean, lots of cabinets, no shortage, completely renovated. Big center island. These are quartz countertops, as you can see here. Stainless steel appliances, gas stove. And now I will show you, let me show you the backyard and the detached garage. So that building over there is your 2-car detached garage. And you have a pretty decent sized backyard. Now, I mean, I can't really go out there. You can see all the snow here, but you get the idea. It's very nice, end unit. So you got no neighbors on one side. And detached garages you don't usually get often. Let's go check it out. So in the front here, another like living space, you could call it the family room, which is right here. And then you have the cathedral ceilings up top here. Gives it a nice little flavor or style. You could style it however you want. And then you'll have your powder room on this side. You can see here, nice little wallpaper. A lot of the home has been updated. You got another window there, you got another window there. So lots of windows here. Check it out. How do you guys like that chandelier? It's all right, I guess. Okay, so upstairs, you got the French door entry here, double doors to the primary room. And then again, because it's an end unit, you got 3 windows in the primary room. You have a closet on that side. Plus you actually have a walk-in closet on this side. So lots of closet space, no shortage. And then you have a pretty big ensuite with a huge stand-up shower. And again, you're getting another window because it is an end unit, so you're getting windows on 3 sides of this house. And then your main washroom is right here. Stand-up shower, pretty decent. And then bedroom 3 is actually a fairly good size. Let's turn the light on here. And this one does not come with the walk-in, but still not bad. It's a double door closet. And I will show you the last bedroom right here, which also comes with 2 windows. Lots of natural light, and it actually does have a walk-in closet. So the basement is finished, but it's not rentable, but it does have a kitchenette. It does have 2 bedrooms. So this is like Eglinton and Winston Churchill. So my reference to Ridgeway Plaza is just a couple of lights down west from here. The only thing I really don't like about this, if I'm honest, is that when you have visitors, you gotta park on Eglinton Avenue, which gets a little difficult. Let me see if I can show you guys. It's hard to see here. You can't really tell, but you gotta park on Eglinton and then walk. It's like street parking, but at least it's free. I mean, in Toronto, you can't park for free on the streets nowadays, right? So actually, even in Mississauga, you can't park on the streets many times around Square One area. So now we are in the basement, finished. This is the kitchenette, as you can see here. Right here, this is the kitchenette. So you can always put a countertop stove if you wanted. Enough cabinet space. This is like your living and dining area for the kitchen. And then 1 bedroom. Pretty decent sized room here actually, if I'm honest, for a basement. And then you'll have actually 2 bedrooms here. So this is your other room right here. And then this one has a closet right over there. And then you also have a full washroom, which I'll just turn on the light for you guys here. Whoops. Right here with a stand-up shower. So this is it. This is a executive style townhouse, over 1,500 square feet. It's listed at 1.15 million. I'm sure there's room to negotiate in this price, especially in the buyer's market. Winston Churchill and Eglinton. This is actually a very good pocket of Mississauga, Churchill Meadows. This neighborhood is sought after by lots and lots of people in Mississauga. They like to move into Churchill Meadows, larger homes, newer homes. And you don't actually see these type of townhouses anywhere else in Mississauga, really. It's really just along Eglinton, these larger executive townhomes. So if you want more information or if you have any questions about this property or any other property in Mississauga, just drop a comment below. There is a book a call link. You could always book a call with me and I'll be sure to call you guys back. My goal is just to make the buying and selling process simple for you guys. If there's any other properties or things that you guys want to learn about, don't hesitate, just let me know.